You've just swiped your Coinbase card, heart pounding with anticipation of that satisfying beat that means your purchase is through. But instead, a cold, hard decline stares back at you. Frustration sets in. You're not alone. Countless Coinbase cardholders have faced this digital brick wall. So, why is your Coinbase card getting declined? Let's dive in. First off, let's rule out the obvious: insufficient funds. It sounds simple, but it's the most common culprit. Check your Coinbase account. Do you have enough crypto or fiat currency to cover the purchase? Remember, it's not just about your overall balance, it's about the specific currency you're using. If you're spending in USD, you need USD funds, not Bitcoin. Next up, check your spending limits. Coinbase has daily, weekly, and monthly spending caps. These limits are in place for security reasons, but they can catch you off guard. If you've hit a limit, you'll need to wait it out or increase your limit, if possible. Now, let's talk about card status. Is your card active? Has it been locked or reported lost or stolen? These issues will undoubtedly lead to declines. Check your Coinbase app for any card-related notifications or restrictions. Another potential reason for declines is merchant restrictions. Some merchants might not accept Coinbase cards due to policies or technical limitations. It's frustrating, but it happens. Try a different card or payment method. But what if your funds are sufficient, your card is active, and the merchant accepts Coinbase? There could be an issue with the transaction itself. Sometimes, declined transactions are caused by network errors, system glitches, or even fraud prevention measures. In these cases, retrying the transaction might work. If not, contact Coinbase support. Let's not forget about security holds. To protect against fraud, your bank or card issuer might place a temporary hold on your account for large purchases. These holds can cause declined transactions. Contact your bank to lift the hold if necessary. Finally, there's the possibility of a Coinbase system issue. While rare, it can happen. Check Coinbase social media or support channels for any reported outages or service disruptions. So, there you have it. A rundown of the most common reasons why your Coinbase card might be getting declined. Remember, troubleshooting can be a process of elimination. Start with the basics, and gradually work your way through the more complex possibilities. If you've tried everything and still can't figure it out, don't hesitate to reach out to Coinbase support. They have the tools and information to help you resolve the issue. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.